Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Axon 9 Pro, and today I will show you how to format the SD card on the device. So to get started, let's go into the settings, and from settings find storage, so it's right here. And in the storage you will see your SD card, so just tap on it, and from here you should find an option called format. Tap on it and it will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from it. So if there's something that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it. But assuming you don't, just press the format SD card. Process begins. It's a fairly quick one, it just takes a couple of seconds, and once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used again, which should be right about, oh, there we go, now. Click on done and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.